How refa nyana boss man?
Ah, ngasih.
Maref, kita tona kay refa.
So this is the video that was posted by Jeff Wicks from News24, and he posted this caption, to say, just for balance, he is Maumela's consigliere Kate Matlala with one of his low slung cars. So Jeff was talking about Hangwani Maumela, and how he bought this 52 million rand supercar, with money from Tembisa Hospital. So this term here, consigliere, it's like an Italian term which is associated with the mafia. So in this instance, this term is saying that Maumela is like a close associate of Kate Matlala. So some few days back ago, the police through the SAPS and the SIU, the Special Investigating Unit, they raided Hangwani Maumela's house, in a fire search warrant that they had got, and they seized some assets there, and there were some number of flashy cars, Lamborghinis that were there, that they seized. So by seizing these assets, the law enforcement officials, they strongly believed, that Hangwani Maumela got that wealth through criminal activities. Hence this step to try and recover the funds. So despite this search and seizure, what is surprising, is that no arrest has been done for Hangwani Maumela. So this search and seizure, it involves, a high degree of suspicion that this guy got his wealth illegally, but the conviction process is still going on. But that's why it's so surprising. So many people, to say Kate Matlala is arrested, Kate Sumalefe is arrested, but why not Hangwani Maumela? Probably we'll get answers in the future. I'll catch you guys on the next one.